about a month ago, I had essentially I decided to do a group build because my mojo just went for a walk, and I knew the only way to get my mojo back a bit was to actually do a kit, to build a kit. And these kits, these tiger kits and Meng kits, are really good fun. They're super deformed sort of design, cartoony look if you like. This one, as you can see, is a Messerschmitt BF 109, and I thought I'd have a go, you know, because it's been a weird year, let's face it, and I really thought it would be good to help me get back into the hobby a little bit, because recently, what with one thing and the other, I sort of lost a little bit of interest, and it did. This is a fun build. It's designed really well, very easy to put together. If you want a kit for your kids, one of these Meng or tiger kits like this one are absolutely fantastic. Anyway, as you see, I did the Messerschmitt BF 109. However, I decided not to do it in the German markings, and I did it instead, if I can get the sheet out of the box, did it instead in the Georgia, a funny way to say it, Georgia markings, which are these here, which are a little more interesting. And this is what happened. Oh dear, he says. This is what happened. Oh my god, what happened? Anyway, yes, as usual, of course, it wouldn't be a build by Jairus if we didn't have a few mishaps. One or two. But you know what? I still enjoyed it. It was fun. It was a quick build, I suppose. I started it at the beginning of the month, and then I sort of left it, and then I did most of it in like a day or two. It still needs a flat coat really, but we'll do that sometime. Anyway, things that went wrong. Not a lot really. Whoops daisy. Me banging it, of course, won't do it any good. It's okay. Things that went wrong, well, let's have a look. I put it on this display because I've had this thing for ages. All it is a piece of tile. Anyway, the yellow over the green worked fantastic, no problem at all, until I put the gloss coat on, and it sort of had an effect on the yellow, as you can see. I don't know if I can show you a little bit closer there. I'm gonna have to sort out the lights around here. It just isn't what I like. Anyway, so it's sort of, it works in a way because I've incorporated what happened to the yellow into its weathering, so you know that works out. The other thing is that when I was trying to put the canopy on, you sort of have to squeeze it and then push it in. Well, it broke, and there's a big crack. Well, it broke into two pieces, so I've had to sort of just, yeah, you can see, big crack. There we go. What can I do? Well, I can do it properly. That's what I can do, but never mind. And there we go. And that's my entry to this year's 2020 Kapui Meng and Tiger group build, sponsored by Pappadan and Colonel Reb Tommy. All good fun. I think I wouldn't mind getting another one of these Messerschmitts and doing it in the German colours now. So we shall do that, I do believe. Oh, that doesn't sound too good. But there we go. That's my entry. Thank you very much. Just send the checks to Liverpool in the UK, okay? I'm only kidding. Onwards and upwards. So what's my next build? Well, a friend of mine is really keen on the group, the rock group Kiss. He's always been he's been a fan for years, and I can't remember who makes it, but I think it's Mobius, and make a kit of the band members, which is pretty unusual. And he's quite keen on Ace Frawley, is it? So I'm going to do that next. I'm also having a look at maybe building a resin kit. I've got quite a few of them. Anyway, that's it. Thank you very much. Group builds really do help. When you lose your mojo and you just don't want to do anything, a group build really, really does kick you in the butt and get you, makes you get onto the bench again and model. So I'll see you soon. All the best. Bye bye.